as a director, what are the challenges that goes behind directing a genre like mystery?
See, every story has a challenge, whether it's a mystery, whether it's a thriller, whether it's emotion. And this particular film, that this is the first time I'm doing a woman-oriented film, a woman-oriented subject, and a first time that extremely strong rooted emotions. And that is the base of Savi.
आज भी हमारे समाज में when we mention that my mom is a housewife, or somebody says I'm a housewife, it's not given the kind of respect that it deserves, because being a homemaker is a huge responsibility.
Easily हम बोल देते हैं, oh she's just a housewife. It can never be just, she is the force behind the family. जैसे कई बार फिल्म्स में भी टेक्नीशियंस को या डायरेक्टर को वो उतना नहीं मिलता है जितना एक्टर्स को मिलता है, बिकॉज दे आर बिहाइंड द कैमरा. सो शी इज प्लेइंग अ सिमिलर रोल बिहाइंड द कैमरा.
We'd like to also talk about the man who can do absolutely anything, Anil Kapoor.
True that.
What were your thoughts behind casting Anil Kapoor for this film?
It's a completely mad role, you can say. And it needed somebody who can handle emotions, comedy, looks, different looks, and at the same time a maturity. And we only came up with one name. That at this point of time, there's no better person than Anil Kapoor who can do that role.
Let's just end the rumors for once. Why did you remove the Kumar from your surname?
See, that was completely a numerological thing.
Right.
And अगर पिक्चर हिट हो जाएगी तो जवाब सबको मिल
Correct.
जाएगा.
Hi, I'm Abhinay Dev.
Hi, I'm Divya Khosla.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
सावित्री की कहानी हम सब जानते हैं, जिन्होंने यमराज से लड़कर अपने पति के प्राण वापस पाए. बट क्या सावी ये कर सकती है? Who's just a bloody housewife? आज इसी फिल्म की टीम हमारे साथ है. Hi guys, how are you doing?
Hi,
Very
Urmin.
सबसे पहले दिव्या खोसला, it's so good to see you. And may I also say that this is not a genre that we generally see you in. So what made you say yes to a project like this?
See, for me as an artist, the most important thing is to keep challenging myself and do roles which will not be expected out of me. So I think creatively there's a lot inside me which is yet to come out. So I do feel that creative frustration कि अभी भी अंदर है, बाहर नहीं आया, वो बाहर लाना है. So I think that inner hunger, you can say, that constant starving for reaching for excellence, starvation for more and chasing more and more excellence and perfection. So when I heard that Bhatt sir was making such story, so I went and approached him and I begged and pleaded him that, sir, please give me the opportunity to play this role. And that's how it came my way.
Well, I think it's a great choice that you have made, because trailer इतना thrilling लग रहा है that we all want to know what happens with you. Of course, when we speak about thriller and mystery, you, Abhinay, have been, the master, because we've seen one of everyone's favorite show, which is 24. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि as a director, what are the challenges that goes behind directing a genre like mystery?
See, every story has a challenge, whether it's a mystery, whether it's a thriller, whether it's emotion. And this particular film has actually a lot of all of it.
Yeah.
Which is, it starts as an emotional story because, the very fact that it's based on a mythological character, not based on the character though, but it's taking from that, inspired from that character's story.
Right.
So emotion becomes the first step. So actually the bigger challenge for me as a director was that this is the first time I'm doing a woman-oriented film, a woman-oriented subject, and a first time that I'm handling emotions, which if you look at all my other films or the stuff that I've done before, it has comedy, it has thrill, it has got mystery, but it doesn't have extremely strong rooted emotions. And that is the base of Savi, which is it's very strongly rooted in the Indian ethos and in the emotions of a family, what we call as a family, and what is family for Savi particularly. Right. And then comes the thrilling or the mystery part of it. And so the challenge actually was to balance between emotions and the thrilling aspect of the story.
You mentioned that this is the first time that you're heading a project which is a woman oriented. Does the recipe change as a director for you?
No, it doesn't. To be very honest, a good film, good story, whether female oriented or male oriented, the recipe should not change. Okay, because I find that they are equal. You know, there should not be any difference in the way you handle.
Yeah.
It is, though it's rare to find, you know, if you look at Indian cinema, we find lesser female-oriented films than male-oriented films for obvious reasons, but that's about to change, I think. You know, I think the time has come when we need to give it the right placement for women-oriented subjects as well. And the recipe should not change, as it is not changed for me at least in this film.
दिव्या, ये सवाल आपके लिए है that आज भी हमारे समाज में when we mention that my mom is a housewife, or somebody says I'm a housewife, it's not given the kind of respect that it deserves, because being a homemaker is a huge responsibility, probably one of the most difficult one. How can we change that, and what do you think is the need of the hour?
I think I really feel, easily हम बोल देते हैं, oh, she's just a housewife. It can never be just, She is the force behind the family. If the husband is successful, if the child is nurtured well, it is this woman who's in the background. जैसे कई बार films में भी, technicians को या director को वो उतना नहीं मिलता है जितना actors को मिलता है, because they are behind the camera. So she's playing a similar role behind the camera. But she's handling them emotionally, she's catering to the emotional needs of the family, she's everything behind them. And there's so much of strength in a housewife. I mean, this story, Savi, that also depicts that courage, that determination that a housewife has, that अगर उसके परिवार पे बात आएगी तो किसी भी हद तक जा सकती है. She can fight the whole ब्रह्मांड, मतलब पूरी दुनिया से लड़ पड़ेगी, और उसमें कितनी ताकत होती है वो ही पिक्चर में दिखाई गई है कि it's such an impossible task. How can a housewife do it? एक इंग्लैंड की सबसे खतरनाक जेल जहाँ इतने कैमराज है, इतने बॉडीगार्ड्स है, वो कैसे तोड़ सकती है? But what is that strength? So I think every woman who will see this movie will see themselves in Savi and Savi in themselves. So I feel we should encourage films like this, because they are so true to our culture and they represent the strength that we women hold. And in fact, I would like to say that even if a housewife works, like you may be working, or your mother, or anyone, or my mother, like even if they are working, they're still running the family. It's not कि उन्होंने family से हाथ धोकर वो काम ही कर रही हैं. So they are also housewives. They are also managing the home. So I think every woman is so strong, and it's time we recognize that strength that she holds. Yeah.
There are a roller coaster of emotions in the film, especially for you. Were there any scenes that you can recollect जिस पर आपको extra थोड़ा अपने character पर मेहनत करनी पड़ी? You had to work towards a particular scene that you'd like to share?
I think her past, because she comes with the past where in her childhood she lost her family completely, and now life gave her a second chance, gave her a second family. So I think वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा tough था, वो मुझे थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी उस पे.
We'd like to also talk about the man who can do absolutely anything, Anil Kapoor.
True that.
What were your thoughts behind casting Anil Kapoor for this film?
Yeah, when this role was written, okay, we all looked at that role and we said कि कौन कर सकता है? Because that role is a very specific, it's a very dynamic role. It's a completely mad role, you can say. Okay, I won't want to expose it more. It's very quirky.
Yeah.
And it needed somebody who can handle emotions, comedy, looks, different looks, and at the same time a maturity which was required in playing that part. And we only came up with one name. That at this point of time, there's no better person than Anil Kapoor who can do that role. And matlab, khaskar, I to love him, because we've had a family relation. And I really adore his, what do you call it, his madness about work. That whenever he takes up a role, he puts in so much into it, and he surprises you every time, every bloody time, every time. He came on frame. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you this anecdote, which is the last shot of the trailer, where he suddenly laughs out. Do you know that it was not in the script? It was not supposed to be there at all. And he didn't even tell us that he's going to do it. In the shot, he suddenly did that. And he did that, and actually, in the trailer, you can't see it. In the film, you will see what the reaction that happened from Divya to that sudden thing was crazy. So he did this on his own, and it's actually made it to the trailer because you can see that it's completely mental.
He's
what
gone
he's done.
into that zone now.
Fully into that zone.
Divya, how was it for you to share screen space with him?
I can't even explain how good it was, you know, and I think our chemistry is so good on screen. It's come out so nice because he was putting in his all, I was putting in my all, and you know, naturally, मतलब वो इतना natural way से scene आ रहा था. We were just our characters. I was Savi that time. I was not Divya. He was his character. So it was so natural, and I think he's very inspiring. मैंने देखा कैसे वो मतलब अपने mind को भी थोड़ा साइक करते. एक दिन हम रात को शूट कर रहे थे और बहुत ठंड थी, रात को बहुत लेट हो गया था और बारिश का सीन था, बारिश हो रही थी, एंड मुझे यू नो मैं थोड़ा इस टाइप की, मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर रही होंगी, ठंड लग रही थी मुझे. सो ही लुक्ड एट मी एंड ही सेड, सोचो सुबह तक शूट है, सुबह तक शूटिंग करनी है, सुबह तक, बिकॉज आई न्यू इन माई माइंड कि कल सुबह का भी कॉल टाइम है, रात को भी अभी तक करे जा रहे, ठंड इतनी हो रही है. सो ही एक्चुअली साइक्स हिमसेल्फ, यू नो, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज मेंटल. अगर इंसान यहाँ से स्ट्रॉन्ग हो तो एवरीथिंग इज टेकन केयर ऑफ, हमें ठंड भी नहीं लगेगी बॉडी को. सो इंस्पिरेशनल ऑफ हिम. एंड फिर आई रियली थॉट कि सुबह तक शूट है तो मुझे एकदम ठंड लगनी बंद. सो देयर इज सो मच टू लर्न, यू नो, व्हेन यू वर्क विद legendary actors.
During the annual promotions, we had spoken to so many cast members जिन्होंने एक बात कही, and please tell me if it is true, that चाहे शूट कितने भी बजे हो, वो पहले जिम जाते हैं, पहले वर्कआउट करते हैं और फिर आगे. So did you all have that experience that he was?
Yeah, every time. This man is, I'm telling you, I've known him for over 12, 13 years now. I don't think एक भी ऐसा दिन था जहाँ पे he has come to shoot without working out on some way. Okay? And because he takes care of himself a lot, and it's required to be taken care of. And his energy levels are there. You know, हम सब एक side पे और वो एक side पे होते हैं. So he's brilliant, yeah. He's brilliant.
Abhinay, this specifically is for you. You come from a background where films, I think that must have been the first word you must have learned because it's so strong in your family. आपके पेरेंट्स के ज़माने में जब हम एक वाइफ दिखाते थे in that era was so different to now.
Correct.
Do you remember the definition that you were assumed or told as a kid and how it has changed now of a wife?
No, so you're saying of a wife or of a woman?
Of a wife.
When I was a kid, the films that used to release were very different, right? It was completely male-oriented. The wife was always considered in the film as just the wife, or sometimes, you know, there were very rare occasions on which there was a strong role that a wife would have in the film. But at the same time, I used to see my mother in the house. And my mother was the exact opposite of that, because she had an equal role. And that is credit to both of them, to both my parents. That even from as long as 50 years back, they led a life, and they set an example for me and my brother that this is how you need to be with your wife or the women in your life, whoever the woman is. You know, it's a complete equality. And my mother, since I remember, since मुझे जो भी याद है, she's always worked. And worked not just, and she used to work, by the way, she used to go, she used to do shows, or she used to go for a shoot, come back home, and then make, you know, breakfast for us, or make sometimes food for us, sometimes. So I've always seen my mother in a role which is so strong that the cinema of that time did not affect me as much as my own mother affected me. My mother affected me as perfect. This is how a man and woman relationship should be.
Nice.
And that, I think, is what I got the opportunity to probably show in one way or the other in this film.
Wow, that's great. We're so looking forward to it for sure. Divya, I have to ask you this question because let's just end the rumors for once. Why did you remove the Kumar from your surname?
See, I think that was completely a numerological thing.
Right.
And अभी अगर पिक्चर हिट हो जाएगी तो जवाब सबको मिल
Correct.
जाएगा.
I think it was a great way of answering. Guys, I wish you all the best. This is one of my favorite genres. So मैं definitely जाने वाली हूँ. I'm sure so many of us want to go and watch the story of Savi, who's not just a housewife. Or probably is. We don't know. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
Hi, I'm Abhinay Dev,
Hi, I'm Divya Khosla.
and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
Hungama.